This is the Simon & Garfunkel tune, I'm a Rock, this time as a piano accompanist. So we don't need to play the melody in the right hand. That frees us up to play the chord in the right hand. And we'll try to keep the melody higher than the chord. So when we start on the first chord, we're just going to do it like that. C, E, G, a winter's day. In a deep, I'm going to go down to the F chord like that. A, C, F. In a deep and dark December, there's a C chord again. D minor is going to be like that. A, D, and F. I am is G7, G, B, D, F. Am alone. F is A, C, F like that. Oh. There's your C chord, G, C, and E. And then we've got a D minor, which is A, D, F, which goes up to E minor, B, E, G, and it goes back and forth like that a lot. We're gazing from my window, D minor, E minor, on a D minor, gradually fallen, and then we go to F chord on silent, so it's a real easy change, you just gotta change one note. There's D minor, A, D, F, there's your F, A, C, F. Sort of snow, and snow is a G chord. So there's your F, and here's your G, G, B, D. And then F again, A, C, F. I am a rock. C, G, C, E. Island is G, B, D, F. It's a G7 chord. And land is the C chord there. G, C, E. And then the ending is a D minor and a rock. D minor, A, D, F, rock, feels G7, G, B, D, F. No pain. C chord is G, C, E. And it does that again. An island, D minor, G7, never cries, is a C. So pretty simple with the chords there as well. Always work on it hands alone first. Then all you need to do to finish this is add the root note down low, the note the chord's named for, as a bass note. So when I'm playing a C chord here, I'm playing that C note. In a deep, on an F, I've got that F. When I go back to C, I'm on that C. When I do a D chord minor, it's a D note. G7, I got a G note. So whatever the note the chord's named for, that's your root note down low. And so after you work on it hands alone, you put it together, and this is what it sounds like. A winter's day. Obviously, there are a lot of other verses, but that's what it is.